Top 3 future technologies of 2025 that will blow your mind. What if I told you the future is no longer coming? It's already here. Future Tech 2025. Hidden behind the noise of the internet and headlines you scroll past every day, 3 groundbreaking technologies are quietly reshaping the world as we know it, right now. They're not science fiction. They're not 10 years away. They're real. They're here in 2025, and they're terrifyingly powerful. From machines that can think, to code that can heal, to devices that could change what it means to be human. These aren't just upgrades, they're evolutionary leaps. But here's the catch. The world isn't ready, and neither are you. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover could either excite you or haunt you. These are the top 3 future technologies of 2025, and number 1 will send chills down your spine. In a dimly lit lab, somewhere in Tokyo, a robot just learned to play the piano, better than a human. In Boston, machines are sprinting, jumping, and opening doors, not as tools, but as autonomous beings. The age of robots isn't coming, it's already started. Welcome to 2025, the turning point in human-machine history. Right now, AI-powered robots are not only assembling cars, they're assisting in surgeries, delivering food, guarding borders, and even defusing bombs. But here's where it gets chilling. In January 2025, researchers at ETH Zurich unveiled a robot that could repair itself using AI-driven diagnostics and nanomaterials. A machine that doesn't just work, it survives. Militaries worldwide are racing to deploy autonomous drones and quadrupeds. In Ukraine, AI-piloted recon bots are already on the battlefield. In China, they've just launched the world's first AI-operated warship. The line between tool and intelligence is blurring. Automation isn't just replacing workers, it's rewriting what work even means. By 2030, over 375 million jobs may be automated, and yet no one's truly prepared for what comes next. So, the real question isn't whether robots will take over. It's whether we'll be ready when they do. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the rise of machines. If that made your heart race, just wait for what's next. Hit subscribe and let's uncover the future, one terrifying tech at a time. Somewhere deep inside Google's quantum AI lab, a machine just did something no supercomputer on Earth could do. It cracked a calculation so complex it would take the fastest classical computer 10,000 years to finish. And it did it in just 200 seconds. This isn't a new type of computer. This is an entirely new form of reality. Quantum computers don't calculate in ones and zeros. They process in qubits, units that can be both 1 and 0 at the same time, like flipping a coin and having it land on both heads and tails. Welcome to the twilight zone of computation. Here's where it gets terrifying. If quantum computing keeps evolving, it could break all encryption on the internet. Every password, every financial transaction, every government secret. And guess what? China's already ahead. In 2024, they tested a quantum satellite capable of unhackable communication using entangled photons, messages that vanish if intercepted. In 2025, IBM unveiled its 1,121 qubit processor, Condor. It's not just powerful, it's a quantum weapon in the making. The race is on. Whoever wins quantum supremacy could control economies, decrypt global communications, and unlock secrets of the universe. And the rest of us will either adapt or disappear. This is not just a leap in technology, it's a leap into the unknown. And subscribe, because in this race to the future, ignorance isn't just dangerous, it's obsolete. What if the world around you was no longer real? Right now, as you watch this video, millions of people are logging out of reality and stepping into digital realms where time, space, and identity are just code. This isn't a game. This is the birth of the Metaverse, a new dimension being built by Meta, Apple, Microsoft, and a dozen silent players you've never even heard of. By 2025, the Metaverse is no longer a fantasy. It's a $900 billion ecosystem of virtual offices, AI-driven avatars, 3D social platforms, and digital real estate. And yes, someone just bought land in a game for $4.3 million. In Seoul, entire city services are moving to the Metaverse. In Japan, you can attend school, get married, and even visit your ancestors without leaving your room. But here's the part no one tells you. Psychologists are warning of virtual dissociation, where the lines between reality and simulation blur so badly, people forget who they are in the real world. And with Apple's Vision Pro launching spatial computing into the mainstream, your body, your home, even your thoughts may soon be rendered in augmented space. The Metaverse isn't just entertainment, it's a potential alternate civilization, ruled not by governments but by corporations and algorithms. The question isn't whether we'll live in the Metaverse, it's whether we'll ever come back. 3 technologies are shaping our future, but behind their brilliance lies a terrifying truth. Each one holds a threat powerful enough to upend the world as we know it. First, advanced robotics. Machines are now capable of autonomy, agility, and even decision-making. But what happens when the machine decides we're the threat? Killer robots, known as laws, lethal autonomous weapon systems, are no longer sci-fi. The UN warns they could make life or death decisions without human oversight. And in civilian life, mass automation could wipe out over 800 million jobs by 2030. Next, quantum computing. Its power, unimaginable, but its danger, even greater. Quantum machines can potentially break every encryption protocol on the internet, meaning your bank, your medical records, even national secrets could be wide open. Cybersecurity experts call it the Q-Day, the moment quantum computers make today's internet obsolete and unsafe. And then, the Metaverse, a digital escape so real it might replace the physical world entirely. Virtual dissociation is rising, where users lose touch with reality, and behind these immersive worlds, corporate empires tracking your every blink, gesture, and thought. If we lose ourselves inside, who controls what we see, feel, or believe? These aren't just technologies. They are ticking time bombs. The question isn't when they'll go off, but whether we'll see it coming. So there you have it, the top 3 future technologies of 2025 that will blow your mind. Advanced robotics, quantum computing, and the Metaverse are poised to revolutionize our world. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. By embracing these technologies and addressing their potential risks, we can build a brighter, more innovative future for all. What do you think about these technologies? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.